This video is to show you how to use some of the features of DevTools in your browser so that you can set up breakpoints and step through your code. The aim of stepping through your code is to help you to find and fix bugs that may be preventing your code from behaving as expected. In this example, we're going to use Chrome as the browser. Here's a sample script with a button that, when clicked on, it will call a JavaScript function. So go to where this file is located and open it in your browser in Chrome, and you will see when it renders, it will render the multiply button. So to open the Developer Tools menu, click on F12 and you will see a selection of tabs. You have Elements, Console, Sources, Network, Performance, and so on. But for now we're interested in the Sources tab. So we want to set up a breakpoint, an event listener breakpoint for when you click on the mouse. So we're going to open the event listener breakpoints section here, scroll down to where the mouse is, expand on that and tick the click option here. So what we've done here is we're showing you that DevTools lets you pause your code in the middle of its execution and examine the values of all variables at that moment in time. The tool for pausing your code is called a breakpoint. When you select click, you set up an event-based breakpoint on all click events. When any node is clicked and that node has a click handler, DevTools automatically pauses on the first line of that node's click handler. So if we go back to the browser and click on multiply, what will happen is the breakpoint will have kicked in on the event listener breakpoint for the mouse click. So here you'll be able to examine the state of variables and so on, and you can step through the code. So see here there's options. What we're going to do is step into the next function call. So we want to step into my function. So we're going to click on this and you'll see that the line of code now its execution has jumped to line 12 and it has stopped here. We can examine the scope here. The value of x is 4, the value of y is 5, the value of variable product is undefined at this point in time because the execution has stopped here. Now we can step through the code line by line by clicking on step here or F9, and when we do this on line 13 after execution of line 12, variable product has a value of 4.5, which is in quotes, so it's a string. So we'd expect that because it's for this example product, it would probably be x multiplied by y that would be expected. So this is just to show you a very simple case of how to examine the state of variables and to find and fix errors in your browser. So you can keep stepping through the code and examining values at various points.